Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the personal protective equipment. Before starting, I would like to clarify that prevention and protection are two different things. There is a confusion available that people ask sometime when there is engineering control, machine guards, automations are available, why should we wear the protective equipment, personal protective equipments? Here, prevention is different, protection is different. Prevention is preventing the accident to happen. That is completely a different subject. Protection is protect the human body from injuries. That is why this is all called personal protective equipments. We have to protect our head, eyes, ears, hands, and while working on heights, the complete body and the shoes, safety shoes. So head injury are likely to happen mostly in the construction industry where it is compulsory to wear, and also in the projects. In the running company, if some project is going on, there also people must wear the helmets. And the visitors, irrespective of whether they visit the project or the regular, they should be provided with the helmets. Then eyes have to be protected from injury using the safety glasses. The safety glass material is different, and what we are wearing for reading and for long distance eyeglasses are different. The safety glass will protect your eyes when something is hitting your eyes. So it is mandatory to use the safety eyeglass where there are some flying object or accidentally some material may fly and hit your eyes, and also where you have got lot of dust and generation of smoke, etc. Then it comes to the nose. Nose, we have to have the we should not swallow the other air or smoke or oil fumes. That is why, or dust. That is why dust, chemical dust, we have to protect our nose with a mask. Then the mask will also be changed with a filter, without filter, how much duration that man will be subjected to the dust or this thing, or continuously he is working on a place where the fumes are coming. So it has to be accordingly decided. And after mask, nose mask, it is a hand gloves. Hand gloves are, there are different hand gloves to be used for working on the chemicals and acid. You may use the rubber or special hand gloves. Whereas while you are working on the hot, you have to use the leather hand gloves or the asbestos with leather patches. Then there is a material called Kevlar which is alternative to asbestos, but it is very costlier compared to the asbestos. Then coming to that whole body, while working on roof or working at height, you should wear a full safety belt which will cover your whole body. Means you have to wear from both legs and also upper part of the body, and from behind it can be hanged to some place, with some rigid places. So you can protect the full body safety belt photograph I am giving in this video. And lastly, but not the least, is the safety shoes. Safety shoes, those who are going inside the working area or the shop floor, of any company like chemical or even engineering or oil and grease, such manufacturing or storage companies, they should wear, and it should have the property of anti-slip, rigid grip, and also protect your toes. So these are all the generally used safety personal protective equipments. And there are some special like elbow, where you have to work, you have to put your hand, you cannot have a long hand glove, so you have to have a hand glove then an elbow, so that you can put your hand conveniently and then work. So to protect from injury, it is very much necessary to wear the personal protective equipment, and also to protect your lungs from dust, fumes, etc. You have to wear the masks. So I think this is clear between prevention and protection. Please take care of yourself. Ears are to be protected from noisy area. If you are working continuously in the noisy area, 90 dB and above, you will have the hearing problem, which may sometimes affect your brain also. So it is mandatory to use earplugs or the earmuffs as per the requirement. For example, if the working area, the noise is around 90, you can use the earplugs. Where it is more than 90, it is recommended to use the earmuffs, and also you can ask the manufacturer to give the detail of the dB, how much it can reduce, so that in the workplace, if the dB level is very high, people should be given the earmuffs accordingly, so that it reaches nearly between 70 to 90 dB. The reduction should be equivalent to 70 to 90 dB. Till my next video, see you, bye bye.